Man, it's chilly out here. Okay. Right now, I'm walking over to the neighbors. There's their, whatever the heck kind of tree that is. Oh, it's kind of chilly out here. Kitty. Oh, there he is. There's my little buddy. Come here, buddy. Yeah, you see me and you come running. Hey, buddy. Hey, you're a good boy. Hey, buddy. I'm stealing my PJs, dude. Okay, buddy, come here. Let me pick you up. You love it when I hold you. Purr like you're a chain. You purr like you're a kitty cat chainsaw. Look at him. He's so adorable. Hey, don't really smell like skunk anymore. The smell wore off. He got sprayed by a skunk the other night. It was horrible. Poor little guy. Okay, buddy. Look at this little dude. He's 6 months old and he's getting big. Look how big he is. Oh, he's playing with my rope. Look at that, guys. Whoop. Whoop. Don't play with that. Oh, you're so adorable. Oh man, I love you, bunny. I love you. Dude.